Alright, so we got our Sportsman, Polaris Sportsman 700. And what is going on is we got a cracked wheel or a fender floorboard. These two holes where somebody previously had a riveted section in, this went underneath. I got that out of there. Hey, Addie. So I got that out of there because it looks like an eyesore with rivets on top. So anyway, I already plastic welded the back up. So I thought I'd just show you how we do the front here. It's the same as the back. So it's a fender welder. Anyway, message me if you want to know where to get this from. First thing, I'm using the black obviously because it's got a black. Usually it comes with clear. You can use clear on it, but I purchased black. So we go through. We're kind of melting it together. This is the first step. Then we go back and then we add the filler. So as you can see, it doesn't make it look like it never happened. I'll get a little better here, but it is better than having cracked plastic. So, and then I'll show you. I'll be right back because I'll show you something else here to make it blend in better. Alright, so the black it sticks out because the plastic's faded. So this stuff here is Maxima SC1. It says new bike in a can. There. Like again, it's not perfect, but it's better than a cracked fender. And this stuff sits out in the sun a couple days, and instead of looking glossy and shiny, it looks like conditioned plastic. So it works good. Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.